I was looking for a college with my classmate. The first school I went to was UIC, and my course was computer engineering. I was really excited and a little nervous for the exam. I passed and they gave the result and enrollment form. I felt so happy and relieved. I went home after that, feeling confident. Then in the day I was supposed to submit my form, I also had an exam at Ateneo. I was hoping I would pass that one too. During the exam, we were asked to transfer to another room, and I accidentally left my bag in the first room. My bag had my uniform and exam result from UIC. After the exam, I went back to get my bag, but it was already gone. I reported it to the guard, but he didn't find anything. I felt so stupid and sad because now I couldn't submit my enrollment form. When I got home, I told my family. My father got curious and said I should study in Panabo instead. I cried because I really wanted to study in Davao. But later, he agreed to let me study in Davao. As my last option, I took the exam at Holy Cross. I passed, and that's where I studied. Looking back, it was a tough experience, but I learned to stay calm and keep trying even when things didn't go as planned. Good boy, good mom, confidence is the key.